Ever wondered why cherry blossoms only last about a week? It's not just for the aesthetic. There's actual science behind it. Cherry blossoms bloom all at once because of temperature. A few warm days in spring trigger them to open almost simultaneously. That's why you get that breathtaking, full bloom moment. But it's also why it's so short. Once they peak, they're super fragile. Wind, rain, and even a slight temperature drop can make the petals fall almost instantly. This is called the Sakura snow effect, and it usually means the season is ending. So yeah, they only last a week, but maybe that's what makes them so special.